Hi everybody, this is Dr. Sam Byrne, and I'm going to talk today about the near-far focusing exercise and how to do that. So in order to do this exercise, you'll need two charts of letters. This is a chart of letters that's fairly small, and then you're going to need a large chart of letters that you'll be putting at about 6 feet on the wall. So this near-far focusing exercise is one that I've been using for many years, and it helps people regain their visual focusing flexibility, and also it helps them improve their distance visual acuity. So the way you do this exercise is you stand about 6 feet away from the large chart. It's actually called a heart chart, developed by a Dr. Hart. And then you take the small chart and you hold it at about 14 inches from your face. And if you're not sure what 14 inches is, you can make a fist, put it under your chin, and this distance here is called the Harmon distance. It was actually developed by a Dr. PhD, Dr. Darrell Boyd Harmon, and he was a PhD researcher who explored children's posture and different lighting experiences and where to hold their books and writing in the classroom. He actually wrote a book called The Coordinated Classroom. And so the Harmon distance was the optimal distance that Dr. Harmon came up with in terms of where we want to hold our reading materials, where our eyes and our body are going to be most relaxed. And if you see a person kind of bringing their reading material either closer to their face that's closer than their Harmon distance, or they're pushing their reading material further out away from the Harmon distance, they have some kind of a visual focusing problem. So in this particular near-far focus, what you're going to do is you're going to put your hand over your left eye. You can do the palm over your left eye. You're going to hold the small letter chart at about your Harmon distance, and then you're going to have the large chart at about 6 feet. And then what you're going to begin doing is you're going to begin focusing on the first letter on the small chart, say on the top row, the first letter on the left, and then you're going to quickly switch and focus and read the first letter in the top row of the large chart, the chart at 6 feet. Now, I'm going to recommend doing this without your contacts and glasses. So if you're having difficulty seeing the large chart, then just move closer, right to the edge where you can make out the letters on the large chart. And all you're going to do is you're going to switch your focus back and forth. You're going to read a letter on the small chart and then a letter on the large chart. Letter on the small chart, letter on the large chart. So you're just going to be switching back and forth, and you're actually going to read the whole chart as you move your eyes and your focus from near to far and then far back to near. Of course, as you're doing this exercise, you want to be really aware of your body awareness, your breathing. So you want to be in a very relaxed position as you move your eye from near to far and far to near. If you want to add another challenge, I would put on a metronome at 40 beats a minute, and you have to read each letter to a beat on the metronome. So once you've done the reading with the right eye, then you'll uncover the left eye and you'll switch hands and you'll cover the right eye and you'll read the chart. I would read it in another way, where if you're reading the rows with one eye, I would read the columns with the other eye. And you can vary it, so you can read the chart from right to left, from down to up, and just every day you can vary how you're reading the near-far chart back and forth. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll even put one of the charts upside down, which helps me develop even faster letter recognition. So you can experiment and explore. I would spend about 5 minutes reading the chart with each eye, And then at the very end of the activity, I would do the palming exercise where you rub your hands together, you cup them over your eyes with your eyes closed, and you just relax and rest your eyes. So this is another really powerful exercise to improve visual acuity and your focusing flexibility. I hope you enjoy it.